Hi everybody, lovely to be here, and today we're sorting out doing our festive art and craft activities. I hope you're all alright. This is what we're going to be making. This is a little snow globe. If you give it a shake, look, it's actually got water and glitter and snow inside of it. So let me show you what you get in your packet. And don't forget to be using these, won't you? Recycling them, and the bag that everything's coming as well. So here we are. This is a little snow globe, and this is how it comes to you. It's got no water in it already. You have to sort that part out. If you turn it upside down and look at the bottom, you can see there's a little stopper, a little bung that keeps the water in. And here, there's a little bar, and at the other side from the stopper is where it's hinged, and you can just turn that round, and then your little pieces of card from the inside come out. So what you've got is two pieces. They've got a blank side and a picture on one side. So you need to colour those in. You can use felt tips or crayons, whatever you want. It is a little bit shiny as this card, so you might need to do a couple of times over, especially with felt tips, yeah? Another option is to cut little bits out. You could use a photograph, but be careful to make sure it's not a very precious one. You could use cards, old cards, and cut pictures out. Here I've got one that's got a candle in it. This one's got a little bird on top of a present. Now when you are using an old card to cut out, you can see what I've done here. I've used the pieces of card, and I've worked out by putting it on the top where is a small enough picture to actually fit in. See, with the Father Christmas there, I've got his hand waving, and he's got his jolly face, and you can see the little presents, and so I've drawn round the piece of the card, and I'm going to cut that out, and that will fit in inside. And you can fit quite a few things inside there. It's quite a big space. So you can do your own pictures as well. Yeah? Now, whatever you brew, you must not put the water into it when you've got your pieces of paper down in the middle. Yeah? So I would seriously recommend putting the water in first, after you've taken your card bits out, of course. Yeah? So take the stopper out. Be careful not to lose it. That's very important, or else you won't be able to keep the water in, will you? And you've got to be careful that you don't tip the glitter out and the little bits of snow out when you're taking it to the tap. You can do it in the sink, from the tap straight into the little hole, and it comes up and round up both sides. And just keep going. It will never ever fill. There'll always be a bubble on the top. Yeah? Or you can fill up a pan or a big bowl and put it in it, submerge it under the water, and wait until you've got no more bubbles coming up. And then holding it flat to make sure you don't lose any spillane anywhere, put the bung, the little stopper, back in again. And then what you need to do, because there will be water in that middle bit there where the little pieces of card are going to go, you need to tip that out and then put it to dry. So while it's drying, then you can be sorting your pieces of card out to go on the inside. Because we're having to wash our hands so much, you need to be very careful, because it's getting cold now, that when you've washed your hands, that you dry them properly before you go outside. All those playtimes, when you go out, if your hands aren't dry properly, they're going to start to hurt and get sore. So just be very careful that you dry everything properly. Now, what I need to tell you is, this little bit that you move across is quite stiff. If it happens to break off, don't panic, it's fine, because you can put your bits inside and then you can go over with a little bit of sellotape and that would hold them in place. So it's not a total panic if that happens. They are a bit stiff at first, so parents might well need to be seriously helping with that little part. Yeah? Okay. Now then, I think I've told you everything about this one. So go on and enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.